This heater is compact and extremely powerful. Set it off, fan, low or high setting, and on the left side here you can change the temperature. My hand immediately feels the warmth coming out of this heater, and at any time if I want to lower the temperature I can do that and it will change the temperature accordingly, and then I can change the intensity whenever I feel like it as well. If I feel like it's getting too hot, I can always change it back to the low setting. The safety on this is excellent. If I raise it up or if it's not leveled, it'll turn off, and it's indicated by that red light in the front there. So if it falls over or tips over for whatever reason, it will automatically shut off. It needs to be at a level surface for it to actually work. And speaking of which, on the bottom of this heater, it has a nice leveled bottom. The vents are also of high quality. It doesn't get super hot or anything of that nature. I've had some poor quality heaters in the past that would get really hot. This one does not heat up or anything of that nature. It's very thick and made of high quality material. Good utility. They have a fan on the back of the heater. If you work all day at a desk, very useful to put this on the bottom to warm up your feet. Great quality product at a great price. Get it today.